Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Please come and join the BitGet CoinsKid crew right now for this competition, the KCGI. You get $10 free for nothing, just for joining the team. So it's free money basically. Come and get involved. Click the link. There's 3 days to get involved in this competition right now before it closes, okay? So come and join the CoinsKid crew and let's smash this. Let's dive into the video right now. So diving into XRP then, taking a quick look at the DXY. Is there a wick that is starting to appear on this weekly chart for the DXY? Now the last time we got a wick and the candle went red as well was the last week of September last year, okay, which led to that big drop. So if we do start to see something like this over the next few weeks here for the DXY, we start to come back down, I'm going to feel really confident about that big impulsive move for XRP going forward, okay? So let's dive into the XRP chart and see what we can see. Looking in the CoinsKid crew Discord today, we've got a pattern that's been spotted by Sasha De Bruin. It's a fantastic little spot of a pattern. Look at that head and shoulders pattern. Well done, mate. So I'll take a look at that pattern in a moment, see what's happening. We've got this level of resistance, support, 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 support. And right now, you've got your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder. We've traded many of these. There's actually a breakout point. I'm going to show you this in the charts in a moment. But obviously, if it does break down, we're going to see a flush down for XRP, down to this low that we've come from, and roughly around about the 47-cent mark. We'll have a look in a moment. But credit to Sasha for spotting this and posting it in the Discord. This guy posts a lot of content, a lot of trades. Look at this, so many different coins and things like that. So definitely get involved in this community right now. It's an amazing community. Big up the CoinsKid crew, and thank you for posting this particular trade, Sasha. Let's take a look at XRP chart right now. Looking on the 4-hourly time frame, we've got this pattern spotted by Sasha. Fantastic, and this is, I love this because it makes me look at stuff as well. You've got left shoulder, you've got the head, and then we've got the right shoulder. There's a possibility right now. So obviously the invalidation of such, which I've taught you many, many times, is obviously if we start to see the head taken out here. So this is the invalidation of this pattern right now that's potentially carving out for XRP, 52524. See that broken, then this is off the table, and you throw it in the bin basically. But what we've definitely got here for XRP anyway, we've got this compression where we're coming down under this resistance, little bit of a bull trap just there, and then we come back down. But at the moment we are still holding a higher low into this apex. Now something will give, because like I've always said to you, compression leads to expansion. You've got this support that's leading into this expansion basically. So this is key resistance, this is key support. There's definitely a trade here for the CoinsKid crew. Now if we do break down, obviously people will say, I see the comments, you either say it's going to go up or down. So I do try to zoom out and give you my macro standpoint and reasons why I do think it's going to go up or down or whatever. But in the short term, obviously we try and ride the waves. There was a fantastic long opportunity yesterday on Bitcoin, and some of the CoinsKid crew rode that long up and they got paid basically, and that's the way it works. We look for these trades on a daily time frame, so you can get in and out of trades and make money on a daily time frame. That's something I'm trying to convey to you, okay? So what we have right now, if we do break down from this support, this level of support, okay, we're sort of running in towards the apex of, if we do begin to break down, I'll be more inclined to go short with my stop loss on the previous swing high, and I will show you that trade. I'll post it in the Discord as and when, okay? But obviously keep an eye on this chart over the next sort of few days here, because I do think we're getting really, really close, to tomorrow is the breakout point for this particular chart, because you can clearly see we're getting a very, very powerful level of resistance just there for XRP. We're putting that little bull trap, failed to sustain any closes above that 55 EMA, and it's forcing us back down to this support, okay? Currently holding this high level support, but if we do get forced back down and we take out this ascending level support, then yeah, your big head and shoulders pattern is at play here, and I do think you're getting fruitful going short and taking profit at that level there, 046419. Again, pay yourself, make sure you take profit at technical targets. This is something I always convey in the channel, okay? So equally with this particular pattern at the moment, there is a level of resistance here for XRP that could actually be an ascending triangle. So like I said to you, there's always patterns that can be spotted. So right now you've got this support, there's your resistance, high level support. So right now the inverse of this breakdown is we will get a reaction at this point. If we start to come up like this and we get multiple closes above these EMAs on the 4-hourly time frame, then I'm more inclined that we've got an ascending triangle here. We've got the opposite of a bearish pattern. We've got this beautiful ascending triangle where XRP will start to come back up, attack that 200 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame, and then begin to attack that head, okay? And then all the shorts piling on down here will just get stopped out and liquidated, and it just adds more fuel to this, the longs basically to go in the other direction. But one thing I want to show you right now, there is most definitely something that's going to happen here for XRP, okay? In this zone, in this box just there, you've definitely got some kind of reaction over the next sort of day or so. There will be a trade that's going to pop up for the CoinsKid crew. So I will show you the trade that I will enter. Obviously I'll post it on Discord, but right now just a patience game. Obviously if you want to take a risk, you build longs and put your stop loss on this low, because obviously if you start to break down below that low, you can see you're clearly breaking down below that ascending level support. So that low, if you did want to go long right now and build a position, it's entirely up to you, but you've been a little bit impatient. If you was to do that, is just build positions and put your stop loss down there on that swing low 04912. You know, because if you do start to break up from this point right now, you're getting a greater opportunity than waiting for the break. Do you understand? And that's how it all works, you know, minimal risk trade. So for example, right now you could be saying, okay, well, I don't think XRP is going to break down, I think it's going to come up. So from this point right now, you could be saying, I think XRP is actually going to come up and take that out. So that's a 5.3% long for a risk of around about 1.4%. And this is risk management basically. Or you could say, no, I'm bearish, I think XRP is going to break down here. So what you could say, okay, well, you know, the invalidation is XRP taking out these highs. So what you could say, okay, I'm gonna load a short up on Bybit or BitGet or whatever. I'm going to go short at this point right here. That's the wrong one. I do apologize. I'm going to go short at this point right here right now. You know, I'm going to put my stop loss on this high, because obviously if this starts to break out, invalidates this, and then I'm going to take profit all the way down here. This is trading 101, okay? But obviously what I try to do is find the reasons why it will go in a certain direction and look for the break of resistance or support to confirm that target basically. So, you know, 1.62% loss for a potential 6.82% gain. You know, this is trading. But one thing I do think we've got over the next few days is most definitely some kind of reaction in this apex. So again, it's entirely up to you. You can go short, go long, it's entirely up to you, but I would definitely be looking to wait. Me personally, I'll be a little bit more patient, wait for the break of resistance or the loss of support to confirm the direction in which we're going to go. Okay, so obviously there's a pattern here, a potential ascending triangle like this, and obviously if it breaks, your short's going to be invalidated. And obviously, you know, we've got the sort of bearish pattern. If we do break down, then the ascending triangle is going to be invalidated because you're sweeping that low and sweeping that low, and then you've got your short that's going to play out. So this is trading 101. Okay, remember, you can do all this on Bybit, you can go long, you can go short, you know, it's entirely up to you. But always risk management, don't be a degen. But there is always opportunities every single day in cryptocurrencies to make money. Okay, I will post my particular trade, I will post it in the Discord for the CoinsKid crew as and when I see it. Okay, and my take profit points as well. I hope you enjoyed that update. Take care everyone, back to another update on XLP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.